LUMI continues to introduce new products for prosumer market, all at compatible prices. For today's tour, we will explore some featured products from LUMI Pro. Let's start with these video wall mounting solutions. They are perfect for showing video content and digital signage in public areas. As you can see on the wall, they feature seamless alignment and sturdy structure. With user-friendly design, they allow displays to be installed easily and maintained for a long time. Over here, we have a professional video wall cut. Comparing to the previous wall mounting solutions, they have more mobility and flexibility. And you can see the two sturdy columns. They allow this cart to support multiple displays at the same time. Alright, moving on to the next product. Let's meet this motorized TV cart. It is a versatile solution for presentation, for conference, and more. The best part of it is that it comes with this remote control. So the users can simply press the button. The two powerful motor will lift the TV to a desired position. You see how smooth and steady it is, right? And also very quiet. If you have customers who rely on tablets to provide self-services, then you must check out these kiosks from LUMI. They are all compatible with Samsung tablet and Apple iPad. Most importantly, they are all secured by screws or keys like this, so no one else will get access to the valuable devices. After the installation, users can rotate the screen for vertical or horizontal view, and the tilt function is also available for better customer using experience. The whole collection is made of high-grade steel to ensure long-term use in high-traffic areas. And in addition to all these stands and mounts we've just mentioned, LUMI also provides support for other equipment used in public areas, such as the post mount here and stands for hand sanitizer dispenser. Recently, we've just released a new series of EV charging stands. Okay, so this is all for today's tour of LUMI Pro. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at lumi.cn. Goodbye.